Hi guys, today I want to show you my new device for self-care routine, and this is Eye Rejuvenator from Lifetrons Beauty. This amazing device helps me to reduce wrinkles around my eyes, reduce under eye bags, and also whitening my dark circles under my eye. Yes, this is amazing. This device has radio frequency, ion therapy, and heat therapy modes. So it's easy to use actually. What you need to do, clean your face, apply the cream, then activate this amazing device by touching two sides. As soon as you touch your skin, it's already activated. Then you push the button, take the lid off, and massage your under eye skin. It helps you also to relax your eye muscles after a long day. Okay, you're working right now on radio frequency mode and on a heat mode. So it's basically around 40 degrees, so you don't feel any heat here, so it's like warm sensation. When you finish with this, then you just can put your lid on back and use negative ion therapy. It actually feels so good. Like very gentle, very soft touches, massage your under eye skin, and you will love it. Like, it feels amazing. I'm using this like around 10 days and I already see the results. It's like kinda spa at home, so you can do it yourself and you can not spending a lot money, so just buy you one time and using this and see the results. So I hope guys you like my presentation, and if you like it, you can always ask me how to use this. I'm here for you and I'm glad to answer all your questions. Thank you so much and have a nice day.